Stockholm, Sweden's stylish and historic capital, is a city built across 14 islands connected by bridges, offering a unique mix of medieval architecture, royal heritage, modern design, and scenic waterfront views. Begin your trip in Gamla Stan Old Town, one of Europe's best preserved medieval districts, where you can stroll narrow cobblestone streets, visit the Royal Palace, and admire the Storkyrkan Cathedral. Continue your journey to Vasa Museum to see the only preserved 17th century warship in the world. Then explore ABBA, the museum, for fun interactive pop culture moments. For panoramic city views, visit Mångtilsviken or take a boat cruise through the archipelago. Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum, provides a fascinating look into Swedish history, wildlife, and traditional homes. Swedish cuisine focuses on high-quality local ingredients. Must-try dishes include Swedish meatballs with lingonberry sauce, gravid salmon, rikmaska, shrimp sandwich, pyttipanna, potato hash, and herring varieties. Visit Sturmum's Salohall for traditional market snacks, and don't miss fika, the Swedish coffee and pastry ritual, with delicious cinnamon buns, kanelbuller, or cardamom buns, kardemummabuller. Cafes across Stockholm and Norrmalm are ideal for experiencing local flavors. Stockholm offers both luxury and budget shopping. Explore Drottninggatan for fashion and souvenirs, NK Department Store for premium Scandinavian brands, and Stockholm boutiques for vintage style. Popular souvenirs include Dala horses, Marimekko goods, Scandi interior decor, organic skincare, locally crafted jewelry, and lingonberry chocolates. Transportation is efficient with metros, tunnelbana, trams, buses, and ferries. The SL Travel Card is recommended for multiple rides. Stockholm is highly walkable, bike-friendly, and clean. Credit cards and digital payments are widely accepted, often preferred over cash. Summers offer long daylight hours, while winters provide magical snowy landscapes and cozy atmospheres. Cultural etiquette includes maintaining quietness in public spaces, respecting personal boundaries, and removing shoes when entering some homes. Safety levels are high, but always secure personal belongings in crowded areas. Dress in layers as weather can shift quickly, and note that dining and alcohol can be expensive. Consider supermarkets or street markets for budget meals. Stockholm promises nature, culture, design, and sophistication, perfect for curious global travelers.